Hi, very good afternoon. Aliieesha Kkhanna, Khanna Associates, Saudi Properties here to present you today a legal video presenting on the importance of a very important document, just like the others that I've already told you, is the conveyance deed, which is called the CD in our legal language. It's a conveyance deed means when you're converting a property from a leasehold property to a freehold property. So let me explain you from the backside of the entity, wherein when there were properties that were allotted by authorities like the Delhi Development Authority, the Noida Development Authority, other authorities variously established in and outside Delhi, the properties used to keep the hold of those properties by themselves. So all these government authorities held the property as leasehold and sold it to other owners with a particular lease timing. Say a 99-year-old lease was signed or a 100-year lease was signed. So for a hefty period of years, the lease was registered as ownership rights to another person. But if leasehold properties may further construction, further changes of the existing property, and all those things were not allowed. Just like if you see those DDA flats जो आपको दिखते हैं at various locations like Janakpuri, like Moti Bagh, तो all these DDA flats में भी आप ज़्यादा edits changes नहीं कर सकते हैं. बाहर कोई balcony increase करना, अंदर से changes करना, you cannot do that until unless it becomes a freehold flat. So what is the importance of getting something of freehold means कि आपने उसको authority से hold को free करा लिया. The hold that those government authorities had upon your property, उससे आपने उसको lease से free करा लिया. That means it gets converted from a leasehold property to a freehold property. Of course, there's a huge amount of difference in the value of that property when you're selling that in the market. If it's a leasehold flat or a leasehold plot or a leasehold कोठी, उसकी value as comparison to a freehold flat or a freehold कोठी lesser होगी, expensive and थोड़ा सा कम expensive होगी than a freehold property. This is how when you get converted a leasehold property to a freehold property, this is how the paper looks like, which you get authorized from the Delhi Development Authorities. One of this case जो एक GK1 enclave की property, एक flat है second floor जो किसी ने freehold करवाया. In 2019 on 17 January, the date is right mentioned here कि किस date को freehold हुआ. And of course, this paper of conveyance deed is issued in a green paper by the authorities that are giving you of course the conversion from the leasehold to a freehold. So how the conversion happens is that of course you have to pay a fees that has to be submitted along with the documents. How it is done is that आपकी पूरी लैंड की एक कॉस्टिंग डिराइव की जाती है, एक evaluation कराई जाती है. उस evaluation को particularly evaluate करके उसके ऊपर एक stamp duty का cost निकाला जाता है, which is all of this is mentioned here in this page, which comes at the end of this particular CD, is that the property registration consideration value is considered. उसके ऊपर stamp duty calculate होती है. The stamp duty is paid by draft to the authorities, and then upon that the conveyance deed is issued like this with again signatory and stamp of the Delhi Development Authority authorized person who can get this done. And it is absolutely like getting a registry done. जैसे हम एक registrar office में, मेरोली registrar office में या किसी भी registrar office में जाके registry कराते हैं, तो इस sort का एक page आपको derive होता है वहाँ से. So it's similar to that कि आपने इसको एक registry करवाई है. For further more details, the entire CD contains of all details like the previous ownership किसके नाम पे थी, freehold हुआ, कौन से साल में उनको लीज दी गई थी, वो लीज का टेन्योर क्या था, कौन सी बुक नंबर, वॉल्यूम नंबर एडिशनल उसके अंदर आपका ये सब रजिस्टर किया गया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स along with that the entire covered area, which is the most important, that is mentioned, the common area that is mentioned, the proportional common area that is mentioned, and of course the kind of rights that derive in that area जो particularly हमारे को freehold हो रहा है. All that is mentioned in the conveyance deed. Very important document in case you are buying something which was upheld by DDA, by societies, railway society. So this was also one of the railway society property that was converted into a freehold by one of our clients, and this is what it is. We also do assistance in such freehold if it requires, and of course any other legal assistance, because there's a lot of cheating going on these days. in terms of the papers that you get with the registry that you do for your particular property. Make sure एक सेल डीड जाके आपने करा ली और आप एक सेल डीड को वापस ले आए is not the only document जो आपको मिलना चाहिए with any property that you're buying. You need to have, it's a must that you have the entire chain of property. मैंने ये कई बारी mention किया in my previous videos that the chain of property is much important कि हमने प्रॉपर्टी का लैंड का ओनरशिप कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ और जो आपको बेच रहा है उसकी डेरिवेशन वहां से कहाँ तक आई, उसके पास ये कैपेबिलिटी या कैपेसिटी कैसे आई that he can further sell it to you. So do not forget to save on few pennies and few thousands in order to get cheated for crores of properties. Thank you so much for watching. I'll keep coming back with more such legal assistance for all of you. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and of course keep giving a thumbs up. And I'll keep coming back to you for more such meaningful and positive videos for all of you. Thank you so much for watching.